Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to quote Repost on X. Okay, so first of all, open X application on your device and let's go to specific post that you want to quote, and you have to tap this repost icon below the post itself, and let's select option quote from this list. So here you can add your comment, you can give your reaction. Also, additionally, you can add some media to your quote. You can add some GIFs. You can ask GROC, this is artificial intelligence from the X application, and also you can add your location. And finally, when you're satisfied with your quote, you have to tap post button in the top right corner of your screen, and your quoted post you will see on your profile, and it will be publicly visible for everyone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.